Hey guys, Jack560 here. I'm gonna do a review with my cars. Alright, first, Dodge Charger, number 43. Survived. Betty Crocker and Cheerios. I rate this one 8 out of 10. And number 914, Time Tracker, 2012 model. Yeah, this one, I rate it like 9 out of 10. 10 out of 10, Tootsie Roll, yes!
So happy again. Happy again.
Hey guys, I'm back with the last 3 cars. So, number 4, Nova Chevy. Look at these decals. So I rate this like 7 out of 10. Yeah, I like it. A Custom Mercury Cougar. Yeah, I like it. I love it. Yeah, it's amazing. I give it a 9 out of 10. Lambo. Amazing. Decal. Amazing orange rims. 10 out of 10. And that's all the cars for today, guys. So, this is my new catchphrase. Stay tuned and make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. And also, stay safe.